Brunei's Sultan, Hassanal Bolkiah, says his country will not enforce the death penalty on a law that would have made gay sex and adultery punishable by stoning to death. The Sultan announced this in a speech to the nation as Brunei marked the start of the Muslim holy month of Ramadan.
Kerana itu, sebagai misalan, selama lebih 2 dekad, negara kita masih mengamalkan de facto moratorium, iaitu penangguhan pelaksanaan hukuman mati bagi kes-kes di bawah common law. Ini akan dilaratkan kepada kes-kes di bawah SPCO yang sememangnya menyediakan ruang lebih luas bagi pengampunan hukuman mati.
The Sultan's words appear to be aimed at countering a backlash towards additions to Brunei's interpretation of Sharia or Islamic laws.
These new laws punish sodomy, adultery and rape with death. The Sultan's office also released an official English translation of his speech.
Celebrities such as George Clooney and Elton John had called for a boycott on hotels owned by the Sultan. These include the Dorchester in London and the Beverly Hills Hotel in Los Angeles.